Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
In this video, we're going to learn about one of the most important and commonly used tags in HTML. What is a div tag? The div tag stands for division. It is used to group or divide content in a web page. Think of it like a container or a box that holds other HTML elements, like text, images, links, or even more divs. Imagine a web page as a room. A div tag is like a box in that room where you can organize your things. In this example, the heading and the paragraph are grouped inside a div tag. This helps you keep things organized. Uses of div tag. Layout control. Using div tag helps you divide a web page into different parts like header, sidebar, content, and footer. It gives you full control over how your website looks and where things are placed. You can style each differently using CSS, like adding colors, padding, margins, or borders. Using div tag makes it easier to design websites that look good on all screen sizes, like phones, tablets, and desktops. Most people use mobile phones. Div tag work well with media queries and flex grid layouts in CSS to make your site responsive. The div tag is a block-level container used to group content, apply CSS styling, and organize your HTML layout in a clean and structured way.